'Cause I wasn't the type to take charge of my finances before.
And I leave the money thing over to my husband. My thing that I'm the most nervous about if he dies first, because he's so in
I
charge.
think the biggest fear I have is just running out of money.
I thought I was taking care of my money, but I did get into a bad investment.
So many mistakes following other people's advice over the years. You know, we've lost so much money.
I attended the estate planning, and then It's Your Money and It's Your Estate.
I attended both It's Your Money and It's Your Estate, and I've attended both of them twice.
What the workshop allows is people to see the possibilities of what they could do because they're better informed.
The workshops turned me around completely because I was ignorant.
Thought, wow, this is really good.
Because there's a lot of intense information. But it's very useful, it's very accessible. It's something that even someone like me could do.
If anyone in the audience had to get this caliber of professional advice and pay for it, it would cost them tens of thousands of dollars to get the equivalent of what you provide for free.
You know, I wasn't being talked into anything, and that was really comforting. Just to feel like it was information that was offered freely, that was there for me to accept or not.
You really do. You feel empowered.
I've had many people tell us that because of the workshops, they've learned things that have helped them understand more about charitable giving.
This gave me the idea of getting involved.
The American Heart Association is very proud to sponsor It's Your Estate and It's Your Money. You know, I enjoy coming and speaking at the workshops and visiting with the people there. It helps us to get our mission out. It helps us to increase awareness, to connect other people with our mission.
I learned a lot of things. I had a living trust before, but I made a lot of changes after attending the seminar.
At the end of every session, we do an evaluation form, and on there it asks about charitable organizations that you may support. And I get very excited when people circle St. Jude. And so that happens every time.
Have we seen results? The answer is yes.
It was win-win-win every way.
It was a good program for any age, and I definitely think that everyone around me was very appreciative. I think that they all got something out of it. We all were happy to be there.
Well, I just feel like whatever I do have, I want to decide where it's going to go.
When they're informed about how they can do things, they say, I didn't know that. So it's a win-win situation because they love the organization and now they're equipped with tools that they didn't know about before.